Hello, class 10th. So, the topic for today is transportation in animals. Before this, we have done the nutrition in animals and then respiration in animals. Nutrition is what? Nutrition uh, is the way how we obtain the energy, or nutrition is actually the way we are able to take up the food molecules. And when we have taken those food molecules, we have undergone the process of digestion. Now it is taken, all those food molecules are taken into our cells, and in those cells we need to, why we need food? Because we need to generate energy. And how that energy is generated? Because the food molecules have reached what? Food molecule, for example, if I say that this is a cell, so here the food molecules are lying. Okay, so these food molecules have no like there is no fun of having these food molecules in our cells until or unless we are able to generate energy out of it. So in order to just generate the energy out of it, what process took place in our body? Respiration. So respiration is what? Respiration has done what? It has brought the oxygen from outside into our body, and that oxygen has reached the food molecules. And when these food molecules will come in contact with that oxygen, that will lead to the release of energy in the form of ATP molecules. ATP molecules are what? These are the energy currency of our body. Okay, energy currency. So ATP molecules are very, very important for the energy in our body. Nutrition is done, respiration is done. Okay, now this energy is to be circulated throughout our body. Okay, plus even this process of respiration is incomplete without a process, without a life process, that is transportation. Because transportation means taking up the molecules from one part of the body to the another part. For example, if I am saying respiration is bringing what? Oxygen. अब ये ऑक्सीजन जो है, it has to reach each and every cell of our body. So how this oxygen is going to reach? I told you that there are spherical molecules, sorry, not molecules, there are spherical sac-like structures which are present at the end of bronchioles, known as alveoli, and those alveoli remain in close contact with the कैपिलरीज. कैपिलरीज आर नथिंग बट व्हाट? ब्लड वेसल्स. ब्लड वेसल्स हैं वो. तो यहाँ पे एल्वुलाई के पास क्या लेके आया? ये रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू, आपके ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के थ्रू क्या आया? एल्वुलाई क्या लेके आया है? इसके पास क्या है? ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है. एंड ब्लड कैपिलरीज आर हैविंग व्हाट? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक है. तो ऑक्सीजन जो है, इसकी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एल्वुलाई में ज़्यादा है और ब्लड वेसल्स में कम है, तो ऑक्सीजन जो है वो ऑस्मोसिस प्रोसेस के थ्रू कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? ब्लड वेसल्स में. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कंटेंट जो है, इट इज मोर इन द कैपिलरीज एज कम्पेयर टू द alveoli. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है, इट विल मूव फ्रॉम द ब्लड कैपिलरीज to the alveoli. This is how the exchange of gases takes place. Now this oxygen is to be taken to each and every cell. So how it is able to go from here to each and every cell of our body? That is through the transportation system. And the transportation system in human beings is called as human circulatory system also. What do we call it? Human circulatory system. Circulatory system means what? Circular movement क्या है? Circular movement क्या है? जहां से कोई चीज स्टार्ट हुई, मुड़ के वहीं पे वापस आ रही है. So इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सर्कुलेशन. The human circulatory system is a very, very important system of our body, because of which this oxygen is circulated throughout our body. Okay, this carbon dioxide is taken from the cells and taken then it is taken to the lungs, so that it should be removed out of the body. ठीक है. तो ये सब कुछ जो है, it has to be circulated. Not only this oxygen and carbon dioxide, but in addition to this, we have heard about the hormones. If you remember, in class 8th you must have studied about the various hormones of our body, like insulin. So those hormones are also required to be circulated in our body, and that circulation is also done through our human circulatory system. So this is very, very important. All the whether those are waste substances or they are the essential substances or the vitamins, whatever is circulated in your body, it is circulated through our very important system of body, which is human circulatory system. Since we all know that we possess what, we are having the organ system level of organization. What do we have? Organ system level of organization, यही है हमारे पास. सो हर एक सिस्टम जो है वो डिपेंडेंट है दूसरे सिस्टम पे. न्यूट्रिशन इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट रेस्पिरेशन, रेस्पिरेशन इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट सर्कुलेशन. सो वी हैव ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो दिस ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज वेरी 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 important. Okay, so what comes under this human circulatory system? Let me tell you that. Okay. So human circulatory system. In class 9th, you have studied about the vascular system or the vascular tissue of plant's body. You said xylem and phloem जो है, they act as the vascular system or vascular bundles of the plant body. Similarly, in our body also, since xylem and phloem are responsible for what? Transportation, है ना. जाइलम और फ्लोएम ही ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करवाते हैं प्लांट्स बॉडी में. उसी तरह से आपका जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है, उनमें भी ये ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम ही क्या करवा रहा है? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करवा रहा है. इसीलिए हम इसको भी क्या बोल सकते हैं? ह्यूमन वैस्कुलर सिस्टम और टिश्यू. ठीक है, तो ये जो सर्कुलेशन है ये किसके कंट्रोल में है? ये है आपकी दो चीज़ें हैं जो आपकी सर्कुलेशन करवाती हैं मेन. ओके, ब्लड एंड lymph. In class 9th, you have studied about these two things, blood and lymph. So blood and lymph are the two components of our body or the two tissues. और हम इनको बोल सकते हैं फिर these are our vascular tissues. ये vascular tissue है हमारा. Blood in turn is composed of the RBCs, WBCs, blood platelets, okay, blood plasma. सब पढ़ा था हमने in class 9th. So blood in turn is composed of all these things. Lymph is having all these things except RBCs. So these two things or these two tissues are responsible because they are also known as vascular tissue, or you remember that is also known as or connective tissue. क्या बोलते हैं हम इसको? और connective tissue. Okay, so it is also known as connective tissue because it connects all the parts of our body. So these are the components, these are the two components through which the blood is circulated, through which the various essential nutrients are circulated throughout our body, blood and lymph. RBCs, they are the red blood cells or red blood corpuscles, and what do they do? RBCs are responsible for the transportation of the oxygen because they carry a pigment which is known as hemoglobin. This all I have already taught you in class 9th. Hemoglobin, they contain a pigment which is known as hemoglobin Hb, and this hemoglobin is responsible for the red color of our blood. So that's why they are called as RBCs are called as red blood corpuscles because of the hemoglobin, and our blood is red because of the presence of hemoglobin. And hemoglobin is having the strong tendency to bind up with the oxygen, and this is how it is able to transport the oxygen throughout our body, which is very very important to carry out the process of respiration. So hemoglobin is very important, and because of this hemoglobin, in a fraction of seconds the oxygen can reach all the parts of our body in a fraction of seconds. But if this hemoglobin won't be there, so like in lower organisms, diffusion is responsible for this circulation, and through diffusion, if we'll say that in human beings, अगर हम कहें कि diffusion से हम चाहें कि हमारा transportation हो, तो it will take 3 years to reach for that oxygen to reach our feet. So in 3 years, consecutive 3 years, like in fraction of seconds, even if your blood is not circulated or the oxygen will not reach your each and every cell of the body, you may die. So 3 years is like, we can't manage that. So that's why we are having a modified, or we are the advanced organisms where we have this pigment for the transportation of the substances throughout our body. So this is the introduction part of the human circulatory system or the transportation in animals. Thank you.